Egg Fu Yong homemade recipe. Ingredients for egg Fu Yong: fresh prawns, fresh eggs, chopped spring onions, chopped cabbage and carrots, chopped garlic, cut prawns into smaller pieces. Break eggs into a bowl. Liquid aminos, soy sauce alternative. Put in some liquid aminos. White pepper powder. Put in some white pepper. Stir to mix together. Heat up the pan. Put in ghee. Put in garlic. Put in cabbage and carrots. Put in prawns. Put in some salt. Stir fry and cook for a while. Add in the eggs. And cook for a while. Flip and cook the other sides. Add in spring onions and cook a bit more. Serve egg Fu Yong onto a plate. Egg Fu Yong. Ingredients for egg Fu Yong:
Yummy.